Hey, what's going on, all my beautiful people? It's your boy Marlon O Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing. Guys, in today's how to make money online working from home video, I want to talk about how you can make money from home working online, or how to make money online working from home via affiliate marketing. Okay, and the reason I put a lot of emphasis on affiliate marketing is because making money online with affiliate marketing is probably one of the fastest and simplest ways to get started. If you just want to just make a little extra income, or if you actually want to start or truly just start your own affiliate marketing business. And all affiliate marketing really is simply marketing and promoting the products of other people or other companies and actually earning commissions when you do it. But in today's video, I want to talk particularly about a question that I got from Denise. Denise, this is actually for you. And the question was, we talk about capture page creation. So I want to talk about how to create a capture page for your business, guys, okay? And I want to talk about how to create a capture page for your business with MyCapturePage.com. Now, I was a member of MyCapturePage.com. God only knows why I stopped promoting it, because MyCapturePage.com is a simple interface that will allow you to create a capture page for your business for just $19.95 a month, guys. And you can promote multiple businesses when you use MyCapturePage.com. And Denise, to answer your question, since you are an actual member of Easy1Up, I'm going to show you how you can use MyCapturePage.com for your Easy1Up business. You can use these pages in addition to the pages that you get inside of Easy1Up to promote your business. Now, here's the emphasis that I want to put on this video. A lot of times when you join a company, you're going to get some generic capture pages, okay? Some generic landers. They're going to give them to you, right? If the business is, reputable, they're going to give you capture pages that you can use to go out to start promoting your business. At some point in time, you're going to want to kind of stand out, when everybody else is zigging, you kind of want to be zagging sometime. And so you're going to want to use different capture pages, okay? Because when you are able to use different capture pages, you don't always have to talk about the specific business that you're in to promote it, okay? You can promote your business in 1,001 ways without ever talking about the name of the business in your promotion, okay? Whether it be just using a capture page or whether it be verbally, right? You can get behind your business, right, and promote it, and people will never even really know what you're promoting until they get to the other side of your capture page. Now, let me say this before I move on. Guys, you can promote anything that you want as long as you understand who your target audience is, and as long as you know how to position yourself in front of your target audience. There are tens of thousands of people coming online every single day trying to figure out how to make money online working from home, okay? And a lot of them are getting started in their own affiliate marketing business. Denise, for you, let's talk about, or anybody who's watching this video, how you can promote not just Easy1Up, but how you can promote absolutely anything using mycapturepage.com. It's a great company. I like the concept because what these guys have gone out and done is created capture pages for just about every major business in the industry, okay? So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Now, first of all, I'm going to leave a link for mycapturepage.com in this YouTube video. I am not an affiliate for mycapturepage.com. I will not earn a commission if you guys decide to join, but it's an explosive business setup, the way they got this thing set up. So I'm going to leave the link. You guys feel free to explore the actual website in the YouTube video description area. Now, when we talk about promoting your business or any business, you can see, guys, when you come to the actual website, you got a home screen, you got a sign up page, you got to see all the different pages of all the different businesses that you can promote using mycapturepage.com. They'll walk you through a video tool here. You can contact the company. And then once you're a member from this page, you can actually log in right from the page. Now, let's scroll down just a little bit. And let me tell you guys why this is a great tool to have in your internet marketing arsenal, okay? These are just some of the businesses that you can promote using mycapturepage.com. And as you can see, you got generic capture pages as well. I talked a little bit about that, right? You got MCA, TLC, NWC, Denise, Generic Biz Up, Easy1Up. There we go, Easy1Up right now, Denise. You're seeing that. Exodus Elite, and the list goes on and on. Okay, when they talk about your plug and play online marketing solution, this could very well be the solution to you guys' problem. Now, I'm going to be coming back with some more videos, and we're going to be getting deeper into the benefit of being able to create your own capture pages or being able to use different capture pages in your marketing. And I think you guys are going to be pleasantly surprised about what you're going to actually be able to learn. But let's go over and see some more of the capture pages real quick, so you guys can get a better understanding of what you can do with mycapturepage.com. Now, as you can see, guys, once you are on this website, you'll be able to scroll down through all the different businesses that you can promote using mycapturepage.com. Beautiful, right? Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Before I knew how to create my own capture pages, guys, I would go to places like Fiverr.com and I would have my capture pages outsourced. And believe me, guys, I was spending upwards of $25 a pop to have my capture pages created. Now, my wife would be calling me while I'm doing this video, so you guys hold on for just 1 second. Okay, guys, I'm back. So anyway, guys, here's a complete list of all the available pages, right, that you can actually use to promote and market your business. Okay, we're talking about affiliate marketing here, guys, and we have all kinds of generic capture pages you guys can actually use. Now, once you're on this page, what you want to do is find your corresponding business. And for Denise, we're talking about Easy1Up, right? So I just saw it. There we go, right there. So you would click Easy1Up. Now, here's the Easy1Up. This page right here is going to tell you about the marketing system and the actual page you can use to promote Easy1Up. Now, when you start using either one of these capture pages, right? You got two high converting pages, page 1, and you have page 2 here. And if you click the thumbnails, it'll actually show you the actual demo on one of them. Now, here's the other thing that's cool about mycapturepage.com. Guys, you need traffic, right, to ignite your automated marketing system, or should I say your automated sales funnel, right? I'm going to be going into some deep videos about that. But the point is, once you start sending traffic into your actual capture page, it redirects to wherever you choose do you want that capture page to redirect to. It could be to a bridge page where you're talking a little bit more about yourself. It could be directly to a team page that you put together, or it could just be to the actual sales page. But the point is, when you can create your own capture pages, you can speak to your particular target audience and you can get traffic. Now, they have my capture page traffic.com. So right inside of the actual website, guys, you're going to be able to get traffic to your actual site, whatever capture page you choose, you select for your particular business. And then you can go inside and you can get the traffic and run it straight into your actual capture page. Now, remember, guys, when you're inside, let's back up one. Let's go back home for a second. Now, once you're in here, you want to see all the sales pages. So click see all sales pages. Scroll down to find your corresponding business. For you, Denise, it would be Easy1Up. You would click that. Once you click that button, then you'll actually see the Easy1Up presentation. You'll see the actual capture pages where it's going to redirect to your business. You simply plug your Easy1Up business, your link for your business inside. Now, it's just $19.95 a month. One time $10 fee to set up. But after that, guys, you could go in here and you could alternate the actual business opportunity that you promote and market. You could use generic bridge pages, or should I say capture pages, for that business. But when you talk about how to work from home online, right, and how to make money online working from home with affiliate marketing, all it is marketing and promoting someone else's business, products, and services, and earning an affiliate commission for doing so. It's one of the simplest and easiest ways to make money online. So if you guys are in business or you're contemplating going in business for yourself and you're going to do it via affiliate marketing, this is a great way. I'm showing you guys how to create your own capture pages, right, using mycapturepage.com. The link for it will be right below this YouTube video, as well as my 7-hour work week newsletter. Guys, if you want to get on my newsletter and see some of the other things that I do, feel free to do that. I appreciate you guys for being on the video so very, very much. As always, this is your boy, Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Hope this helps, Denise.